How can you measure a small material, a small particle? Subscribe to Dam Show TV. Now you can measure a small particle in grams by using electric balance. You can plug in the power cable. You have to turn on electric balance. If it doesn't work, you have to change the socket, use another. After, you have to turn on. If it is on, you have to zero the balance. Zero machine. Zeroing machine, if you have a material to use to measure something or any particle or any flow, first of all you have to zero machine from the zero to measure what you are going to measure. Let me measure this. It is 16 gram. This plate has 16 grams. Then let me move this. Means it is -1 because I zero machine. To zero, wing it again to reach to 0. Then no change, it is 16. Means if you zero machine something on the balance, it takes it as 0. Then by using that to zero machine means it is 0. But when I measure this the second, it takes is 1 gram. If I move that, it becomes -16 because I zero machine. I can zero machine it to remain its normal state. Thank you for watching. You can measure a small particle by using electric balance. Subscribe to Dam Show TV. Thank you.
Zombie apocalypse.